from St. Elizabeth's and an Ohio State Highway Patrol trooper both got awards this morning for saving a man's life while they were off duty. It happened earlier this year at a local park. Today, the man they saved was there to say thank you. We spoke with him in this story that's new at noon.
I feel very fortunate to be alive.
Sam Fastline is talking about how he felt when he woke up at St. Elizabeth Hospital after suffering a heart attack at Mill Creek Park. Sam was riding his bike back in April when the heart attack hit. He fell off his bike, and that's all he remembers. What Sam did not know then was that an off-duty state trooper and an ER doctor were at the park at the same time. They came running to Sam's aid.
He had no pulse. When I realized he had no pulse, we started doing CPR immediately, and we had called EMS, called 911, and I asked the bystanders to get an AED for me. So if he needed to be defibrillated or shocked, so we can resuscitate him.
Dr. Jadala was joined by Trooper Joel Hughes, who happened to be at the park with his family. Hughes and the doctor barely communicated at all while they worked on Sam. Hughes said they just knew what to do, and they did it.
When we hooked the defibrillator up, there was no heartbeat. It brought back, started a heartbeat. We ended up having to deploy it a second time because the heartbeat had stopped the second time. And then after that, it stayed.
Dr. Jadala and Trooper Hughes were both honored at St. Elizabeth Hospital with certificates of recognition for their life-saving actions, along with Sam's heartfelt gratitude.
I wouldn't be here without them, and I certainly appreciate their dedication and efforts to help another human being that had fallen.
Fastline says his health is now back on track and he's feeling well today.